Hi, it's Lana from Three Birds Renovations, and we always get asked what type of paint we use on our renos. So I'm going to tell you what we've used here and why. So to start with, we always use a primer, and here we've used Dulux one-step primer, and we've tinted it to the same colour that we're going to be using as the top coat, which is white on white by Dulux. The reason we tint our primer is quite simple, it just provides better coverage. So after the one-step primer, we then put on 2 coats using Dulux wash and wear in our favourite colour, Dulux white on white. And the great thing about Dulux wash and wear is that you can easily wipe away any marks, which is so important in a family home. So for all the woodwork in our properties like skirting, architraves and doors like these, we like to use Dulux Super Enamel. Not in a high gloss, but actually in a semi-gloss, just to give it a little bit of a sheen. And then on the outside of the home, we've used Dulux Weather Shield in Snowy Mountain Quarter in a low sheen. On the trims, we've used Dulux Aqua Enamel in a semi-gloss and in the same colour as the rest of the house, Snowy Mountain Quarter. So for more tips on how to tackle your next painting project, head to the Dulux website.